What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews, and this in my hand here is the brand new Huawei P30 Pro, and in this video I'm going to be doing an early unboxing and give you a first look at what the P30 Pro has to offer. Let's get started. So here it is, the brand new P30 Pro from Huawei, ready to be unboxed. And right out of the unit, you're going to get the smartphone, and Huawei have also included a silicone case to help protect the new smartphone with some paperwork and a SIM ejector tool. Dig deeper and you're going to get the USB-C microphone headphone combination and a USB-C sync charge cable. Inside the box, you're also going to get a SuperCharge power brick, and for this part of the world we have a 3-pin power brick, and that should be able to get you plenty of juice in a short amount of time, and I'm looking forward to testing that out. But then you handle the device itself, and on first impressions it feels incredibly premium in the hand. Down at the bottom you have the SIM tray, you have the speaker, and you have this kind of chamfered finish to the sides and the edges. But the big deal here is on the back, because you have this pearlescent kind of effect that Huawei have included. This particular color variation is called a breathing crystal, and it looks absolutely phenomenal in different lighting. It kind of has a blue, purple, and then almost an orange kind of effect in bright light, and I think it looks absolutely incredible in the hand. If you take your attention away from the back of the smartphone and over to the front, you'll notice that you have a beautiful OLED display. It's actually a 6.47-inch OLED display that's full HD, and the colors are vibrant here. Everything that we have come to expect from Huawei displays, and this is all evident here in the P30 Pro. It also has a small teardrop notch for the camera, for the front-facing camera. There's no punch hole design, as Huawei are sticking with a teardrop notch for the P30 Pro. Now, as far as the internals are concerned, this particular model comes in 8GB of RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage. You can obviously get different variations with that, but internally it's powered by the Kirin 980 chipset and also EMUI 9.1. So in terms of speed, I'm looking forward to testing this out in my full review here on the channel. If you want to check that out, be sure to hit subscribe and hit like so that you're notified when that video goes live. Let me talk also about the battery, because in the P30 Pro you have 4,200 milliamp hours of power that is available. You also have wireless charging, and as something that we found with the Mate 20 series, you also have reverse wireless charging as well, which is enabled. So that's there if you want to wirelessly charge another smartphone or another Qi enabled accessory, for example headphones or like. So one of the big selling points of the P30 Pro is in the camera setup. Essentially you've got a quad camera setup on the back, and there's a lot to like about this, because Huawei have done some changes to their sensor. They have something called a super spectrum sensor. Essentially it replaces the green pixels in a standard RGB sensor with 2 yellow pixels, and what that does is it pulls in more light and essentially more information to give you better overall shots. Now, as far as the end consumer is concerned, what you need to know is you're going to get a 20 megapixel super wide angle lens. You're also going to get a regular 40 megapixel lens, a TOF lens, and also a square prism based periscope system that will help you get some incredible zooms. Now, it's going to offer not only 5 times zoom, but up to 10 times zoom without losing much overall in quality, and that's achieved through the use of AI, but also this new sensor and camera setup. And I think it's pretty impressive that you're getting such a wide range of different angles, ultra wide and close up, essentially through the zoom on a smartphone like this. And I'm looking forward to actually testing this in a separate video, and I want to put this head to head with another current Android smartphone. So if you have any suggestions what you'd like to see go head to head with the P30 Pro, leave a comment down below and I'll get on working around that video to make that happen. One of the other things is the nighttime mode on the P30 Pro is actually very impressive. I had to play around with this, and the nighttime shots are very nice and crisp and clean. You'll have that nighttime mode on the P30 Pro, so that gives you really good shots, and now coupled with the zoom capabilities, that should offer even better nighttime shots. Again, all of this I'll show off in a separate video. One other thing to note, those of you that are Snapchat fans, Huawei are claiming that the camera setup on this is going to give you some of the best Snapchat shots for any Android smartphone. So hooray if you want this smartphone and still use Snapchat. So guys, that's my unboxing and quick first look at the brand new P30 Pro. I'd love to know what you think, so leave your comments down below in the comment section, and do check out the link in the description, which should have information about the launch and also pricing as well. Now, in this part of the world, in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, this should launch at the beginning of April. Do stay tuned to the channel to see my full review coming up shortly. And that's it from me for now. If you're new around here, be sure to hit subscribe and hit like to see more video content like this. I'm EMKWAN. This has been the P30 Pro. Until next time, peace and blessings.